Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix line weights that are not appearing correctly when printing or exporting to PDF in AutoCAD. This is a common issue that can make drawings look unprofessional, with lines appearing too thin, too thick, or all the same weight. Fortunately, the problem is usually caused by a few settings that are easy to check and correct. Let's get started. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD and prepare the layout or drawing you want to print. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to know how the drawing is supposed to look so you can compare the final result after printing. Next, type Plot in the command line and press Enter. This opens the Plot dialog box where all printing and PDF export settings are controlled. In the Printer/Plotter section, select your printer or DWG to PDF.PC3 if you're creating a PDF. Then choose the correct paper size for your drawing. Now locate the Plot Style Table section. This is one of the most important areas to check when line weights are not printing correctly. Make sure a plot style table such as monochrome.ctb is selected. The plot style table controls how colors in your drawing are converted into printed line weights. After selecting a plot style table, make sure the Plot with Plot Styles option is enabled. If this setting is turned off, AutoCAD may ignore the line weight settings defined in the plot style table. Next, check the Plot Object Line Weights setting. This setting tells AutoCAD to print objects using their assigned line weights. If it is disabled, all lines may appear with the same thickness, regardless of their settings. If you're still having problems, click Edit next to the Plot Style table. This opens the Plot Style Table editor, where you can review the line weight assigned to each color. Verify that the colors used in your drawing are mapped to the desired line weights. You should also check your layer settings. Open the Layer Properties Manager and review the line weight assigned to each layer. If a layer has a very small line weight, the lines may appear too thin when printed. Likewise, a large line weight can make lines appear too thick. After reviewing these settings, return to the Plot dialog box and click Preview. This is a great way to see how the drawing will look before you print or export it. Carefully inspect the line weights and make sure they appear as expected. If everything looks correct, proceed with printing or exporting the PDF. Once the file is created, open it and verify that the line weights match the appearance you saw in the preview window. In most cases, line weight issues are caused by an incorrect plot style table, disabled line weight settings, or layer line weights that need adjustment. By checking each of these areas, you can quickly solve the problem and produce professional-looking drawings. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.